Hey, morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah man, my local YouTube family, morning, I did from down a yard and today a Good Friday. But first and foremost, I could give thanks to see another one. Yeah man, bless up to see another one. And in the kitchen, I'm there, I'm going to tell you, say, a bun revealing, and my mom say, oh, you talk about that bun revealing, and don't worry, you know, Ed. I hit me on too. Follow me, no man. Follow me, man. Right over here, so. See, we have Mighty Joe Young, yeah? See what going in him? Zoom in from Joe Young, let me see what going from him. Zoom in from Mighty Joe Young, then see what going from Mighty Joe Young. You don't know what that in a Joe Young? You don't know what them here? Them here name Sprat fish. All I know where come from down a yard there. Supposed to know when name Sprat fish. And as some we are line up in a Good Friday morning here. Yeah. So we have some over here, so where we have got salt and pepper. Just simply there. Just a little mixture of salt and black pepper, nothing more, you know, one, nothing more. And you make your pot hot and you have them in there and fry. Yeah? In the meantime, in between time, I have one little sauce for you, so I have my apple cider vinegar. Yeah? I don't like the measurement, you know. I don't know, so I don't measurement just something, you know. I don't know, so I don't know, but you watch me now. I'm going to use a finish special here. I don't know what this is for my measurement, you know. Yeah? And I'm going to use a drops more. Yep. Yeah. And we are going to put him over here, so we have to watch what's going on in a joy, you know. Because we are going to put him on over here, so and turn him down slow. That's some apple cider. Whoops! Yes, Josh. With some apple cider vinegar. Yeah. And we're going to put into that. A brown sugar. A brown sugar. Make it dissolve. On the low flame. Yeah? Yeah, you have to watch Joe, you know. See there? Apple cider vinegar and a brown sugar. Yeah? So in the meantime now, in between time, you know what I said then, where the bun there? See the bun here? See the bun here? See the bun here? Have we bun this? Yeah. West Indian Delights homemade Easter bun. Yup. And we are going to serve up this with some crispy, nice little fried sprat. Yeah? Yeah? Yes? Vinegar warm up. Boom! Done. Inside our little bowl here, so we have some onion where we fix up. And we have little garlic where we did burn in a joy young before we, hey, don't know, have it ride and whistle, you know. Yeah. And we warm a little vinegar and we are going to pour it over. Watch it. You just take time and you pour it. Little. And you pour it over them little something here. And you cover it over. Do a little shake. So inside this now, the warm vinegar, I go pull out the flavor from the onion, the scotch, and we did have 2 little garlic where we burn in a Mighty Joe Young. We don't throw them where we left it in there with flavor. Hey, me I go in a Joya. Show them how in a Joya stay. See Joya? Put pot, yes sir. Yeah man. You said to me now. Listen to me. No one cell phone, you know, I look about fat down here, you know. I operate anywhere on there. And nothing, whoops. Yes. Yeah, man. I don't know if you don't remember this. And you don't remember them, yeah? Eh? Sprat. See them, yeah? Behave yourself. Behave yourself and know yourself. Yeah. We don't have much longer to go in, but we want to get them crispy and nice. Yeah. Them there. Zoom in a Joe Young there. Zoom in pan Joe Young there. Let me see what I go on there. Zoom in pan Joe Young. Zoom in. You see how them a come? Crispy and nice. We don't want them soft and saggy. You understand? Yeah. I Joe that. Mighty Joe Young with sprat. In a eat a Friday night, Good Friday morning. Yeah. In my kitchen me there. A bonus sprat me sir. Boom. Coming right along, moving right along and right over here. Yes, sir. The time of reckoning has come. You have to watch Joanna because a serious business this is going on. You have to move and you have to ride and whistle because we don't. Yes, sir, to me now. We've been on the journey. We are going to review. We are going to review. Aye. Zoom in for the bun. They make them see what's going on here. So, after we bun this. After we bun this. See there? See there? 1, 2, 3. Give me a drum roll there. Boom, bang, 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 boom, bang, bang. After me drum roll that. Listen to me. Me love end. So you see when me take off this after me. See the bun there? See the bun there? See it there? Zoom in pan the bun, make them see the bun. See the texture the bun there. See it there? See the moisture in the bun. Yes, see it there? This is the West Indian Delights homemade Easter bun. Yup. Alright. Me don't want nobody touch this because me love end. Boom. Hey, whoever back in a Joe. Whoever back in a Joe. Yeah? Crispy and nice. That's how we want them. We don't want to look up saggy. You see how we take the time and go through with them? When they get crispy, you will see how they look. Then just cock up. Bossy. Yeah? Yeah, man. So me I try to make you know say, listen to me now. You're not happy. I run up and down and I want you a easy squeeze. Yeah? See there? We have a plate over here, so yeah? And we have a put we liquor and towel. Because you don't know the little greasy something. Yeah. Not quite ready to take out yet. But listen to me. All uno. Put the camera up me there. We talk to uno about the bun journey and see it. We finally reach the stage where we reveal the bun. Well, listen to me. Uno remember in night time, one of these videos I tell uno say me I go show uno how big woman run, but yeah. Listen to me. Line me up there. Line me up, make them see me. Yeah? I saw big woman run bun. No boy can't give it none. Boom. Yeah? Yeah? I saw we run bun. Whoever back in a Jordan because he might kick up rumpus. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right now, coming to come. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hear me? In our kitchen, we're there. A bun, we say. And a sprat, too, sir. Show them how Joe look here. Already, they're ready. Already, see them there? Them there? We are going to line them up now. Watch me now when we are come out of Joe with them. Yep. 1. Listen to me. Anything where you run from it coming to you. 2. Behave yourself. 2. You see how they crispy? 3. And 4. You could have gone a little more than my come out. And 5. And 6. And 2, 8. 919. Yup. Yes, sir. Watch me now. You see the bun, yeah? See the bun, yeah? Watch me. Put the camera on me there. Then see. You see inside here, so? You just go give this. 2 stuff. 2 stuff. Remember the ramp with them here, you know, cause you see this? This is not bun, you know. So you know ramp with this. And what? See there? We get a little vinegar in there. Yeah, you know? And you get your slice of bun. That one there, me that show you the texture so bro. You get another slice. Make we take 2 more slices. You see the texture? You see the moisture? You see the... Listen to me now. Listen to me. Listen to me. You go so. Yup. And you put one. Aye. Hello, please. Line me up there. See there? Jamaican Easter bun and spread. And if you like, that is if you like, you know, you go so. And you take out 1 little piece of the onion out of the little, because although you see it now ramp it, yes, so to me right back in there for something. Watch this. See where you turn him to your so. And the first thing you go you bite. See here, yeah? Line me up there now. See here, yeah? Easter one and sprat. Crunchy onion. See that? Yummy, yummy. And sprat. Come in now. Come in. If I do that. And there is an advertisement for nobody for Pepsi, you know. But you have one whole bottle of Pepsi where you put in the fridge. But let me up there. And you pour out. God, listen to me, you know, the heat on down here, you know. Not a goddamn night the chocolate tea can run this morning. Normally, we are doing the same thing with chocolate tea. But that can't work. How much heat? You don't want to straw with it. Start the body, you don't want to. See ya? And you use the Pepsi. Remember me telling you I do an advertisement, I don't pay the advertisement. But let's show you what to use. And wash down that little fish in this there. Listen, you have to pick up a bone and another time and then crispy bone, fried crispy and ready. Alright. That's out of the way. He's talking about you alone. Come in now. We have 3 nice little slices of pepper. Where we set up. Where? And you are going to take 1. And you are going to take 2. And you are going to take 3. 3 nice little slice of bun. Now nice to go something. See? And you cover him up. Seal him up though. Seal him up. Listen to me. Easter is about sharing. There is somebody out there, even though you see me there, so I go and say no. And we can't afford 1 bun. There's somebody out there who cannot afford 1. But we not have more 1, you know. But we take 4 slice. And we take 3 of it sprat. Take 1 of your little Pepsi. Throw them there. You can, and I say you live. Nobody give them no pickle because they must eat pepper. But we clean up the ear. Fix it up good and nice. Hey, come over here, son. You're too road. You read that? And you carry it. Find somebody. Me don't know who. I can't tell you who. But you must can find somebody who you can share it with. Because Easter is all about sharing. Eating for your bun and cheese. This was bun and spread. But at the same time, Remember, say somebody out there when I have a slice or have a Pepsi. Do it, man. If you never do it before, do it today. Listen to me now. I sign up for anybody sitting here and bun and spread there, you know. Give them another shot over where I go on. And they don't look like they know where I go. Make me show them how the bun look again. This is what all along we are come on the journey. This is what we were looking for. Show them. Show them. Moisture. Moisture. The moistness. I think I want to drink. What's the bun today? I'm the same one. But I make the whole pop on business. I make you forget what to do, you know. Subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up the video. Turn on your notification. Yes? That as we sleep again, you're there with me. You're not slide. As we sleep, you're not slide. Listen to me. Enjoy yourself. Be good. Be peaceful. Ego negativity. Rope in the positivity. And live good. And be good. And remember, give somebody a slice of bun today. Yep. Sign me as I know, you know. Sign me as I know, you know. And Debbie from down a yard. What me say? Me say bun and sprat. Boom.